Let's begin with how guests access these service of amenities, housekeeping, and issues resolution. Once guests have scanned a QR code displayed in your hotel, for example, in their room, the guest app will open on their smartphones. Let's start with amenities. When guests click on this section, they will see a list of products or items that your hotel offers. At the top of the section, there is text displaying the timetable. The hours you set on the timetable will be the hours during which guests will be able to place an order. How do guests submit a request? It's very easy. They simply need to select the product from the list that they want or need. For example, a guest needs a shampoo. They just have to click on the order button for that product. This action will redirect them to another screen where they can leave a comment. For instance, if they need 2 items, they can specify it here. After clicking on the book button, the system will prompt them to provide their identity. The platform requires this information to deliver the product to their room. Guests will need to complete a brief form with their name, room number, check-in day, and check-out day. An important detail to note is that guests are only required to fill out this information once during their stay. It's time to shift our focus to the staff perspective. Before delving into our CMS, we will first outline the process and the journey that the staff follows to receive and manage a request. First, the guest makes a request, as we have seen. Next, the staff receives a notification through 3 possible channels: through the CMS, through the staff app, or through email. You can use all of them simultaneously, 2 of them, or just 1. The choice depends on your decision, convenience, and staff organization. For instance, if your staff members have mobile devices like smartphones or tablets, we recommend using the staff app. This allows the staff to receive notifications while being in any part of the hotel. Another common scenario is when the front desk staff or the front desk manager primarily work in front of their computers, managing everything through these static devices. In this case, the CMS would be the preferred option. Remember, you have the flexibility to use all 3 channels simultaneously. The process and information of the requests are updated across all 3 channels in real time. You simply need to decide and internally organize which channel or channels you prefer to use. The last step of this journey is when the guest receives a confirmation notification. This course includes a specific lesson where we will explore request management and the utilization of these 3 channels by the staff team in more detail. In this lesson and module, our focus will be on learning how to upload content. Now you will learn how to configure the features of the amenities, housekeeping services, and issue resolution. These processes follow the same structure as we will demonstrate how to configure one from scratch. The tutorial will focus on configuring your amenities feature. In your CMS, navigate to the Content section. Within the Content section, access the sidebar menu. Here under Services, you will find your amenities issues and housekeeping features. Let's focus on configuring amenities. This is your amenities dashboard. Here you will find various tabs: Information, Catalog, Hours and Booking System, and Upsell. On the right side, you will see the Preview button. By clicking on it, you can preview the changes and configurations you are making. Additionally, you have your demo QR code for internal use. Scan it with your mobile camera to display the content. This preview mode allows you to see how your guests will view this section on their guest app. In the Information tab, you can configure and input the general information of the feature. Here you will need to add the name of the service, such as amenities, include a subtitle, insert a description, for example, explore our hotel amenities catalog, and upload an image. Lastly, you have the option to include additional information about the service. If you click on Add Additional Info, a pop-up with all the options you have will appear. In this example, you can see that we have added an email and a phone number. The next tab is the Catalog tab, where you will configure all your products and items. Here you can edit, change, and remove them. You can organize your products into 2 levels, categories and products. Each category can contain as many products as you need. Let's see how to create and configure a product. Click on the Edit button. First, add the name. Enter a price. If it's a free product, leave the field blank. Specify the size and provide a product description. You can also include a special offer for the product. Click on Activate Offer. Enter the price and provide a title for the offer. Additionally, upload an image of the amenity. It can be a picture or an icon. Once you have completed filling out all the fields, click on the Save button. You have a toggle button next to each of your products. Activate this button if you want the product to be visible and available for your guests. In the Hours and Booking System tab, you can manage and choose how you want your guests to make their requests. You have various options for configuration. Display only the hours for making requests, use a request system that requires staff confirmation, use a URL that leads to an external reservation system, or set up through an integration. In a module later on, you will learn all about managing these requests. Remember that in this module, we focus on showing you how to upload your content. The last tab, Upsell, is used for creating a pop-up that will appear to guests in their guest app when they are in the amenities section. While this feature is more commonly used by hotels for other services besides amenities, housekeeping and issues, such as food and beverage or spa services, you can still highlight important information in this pop-up.